Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Oh crap! All I'm hearing is stuff breaking. Dom, I mean not Dom. Cameron, calm the hell down. Can this be a record? Possibly. Possibly.
My friends are here, and I'm on free time. One of my friends is retarded. Because the episode of the day, but it's okay, Daisy counts. Oh! I'm on the phone right. Get it!
New record! 1 minute, 3 seconds. I tied Seth. I beat Seth. I beat Seth.
Did you really?
I swear to God, Seth's record is 104.
No, it isn't.
Swear to God.
I thought it was 103.
I swear to God. Oh my God, I beat Seth.
Why? Is that super fast?
Yeah. 103.
Here, can I see the picture?
Hold on, I have to go on his channel. Make sure it was 104. It might be a 102. Epic win. I beat Seth Ver. If I told him though, he would never believe me. I'm being honest.